So, guys, I'm not gonna beat around the bush, man. This is sad and very, 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 very wrong. Right now, Jacinta is fighting on her own. And it's udinga amandlethu, guys. Udinga abantu abazomsupport. We as South African, we need to stand with her in these difficult times. After zonke lezi intsha lezi ezimdayisile, especially abongizwe laba bethe imali nayo yonke leyo nto. But now she has come up with another plan because she is fighting. She is a fighter, guys. So I think we, Tina, as South African, we really have to be behind her. Ngendlela asebenza ngayo. Right now, Lana ngicela nilalele le video where she was launching a new forum that's gonna deal with foreigners because there's a lot of izinto ezingekho right ezenziwa even nayi minister of police. I think she's talking about uKochela because uKochela clearly shuthi naye uyi lento ekuthiwa racist. Yeah. Ake silalele lana and then sizothanda impela ngempela what as South Africa we need to do. By the way, guys, you're watching the Deben Online podcast, the number one podcast in KZN, if not the world, DOP. Nango Jacinta. Let's roll the tape.
And this Minister of Police that we have does not ever, not once, meet with black communities to listen to our cries. He does not see a need to come to our townships and listen to what the people have to say. On the other side, yet the minister has continuously engaged with foreign nationals, particularly those from Pakistani and Somalia.
Uyayizwa nje leyo nto wena wakwambona uKochela maybe nje ekhuluma ngayo lento nje ukuthi okay guys, I see as you guys are black South African, you are struggling, this is what we gonna do as police, as a police minister. But wakwazi lo baba lokuthi akhiphe over 600 million rands ngenkathi kuthiwa kuzoba ne-march and march ngomhla ka-30 last June, and that money was gonna do something better than ukufaka imali kubantu abavela abasebenza ngomphakathi amaphoyisa uthi leyo mali ayenzeni. And I didn't even see any results of that money because that money didn't come to play. Ngobani i-violence ayizange bekhona. Everything was just only marching. So guys, as you can see ukuthi South Africa ngempela ayiphethwe thina, iphethwe abantu abanemali.
And interestingly has left out those from Malawi, Zimbabwe and Congo.
You see now another point. Uthi Jacinta lana akazange abanake abantu abamnyama, yes, and also kulabo abantu akade sibahambisa sithi abahambe yena ubekade based kakhulu ekunakeni abantu abanjengamaSomalia namaPakistani, which obviously abantu abamhlophe, or they are just white people as well. But bonke laba Malawian and also Zimbabwean and bonke labantu abamaCongo and Nigerian akayingeni indaba yabo. So usho ukuthi yena vele nje ucwasana ngokwebala. Ake sivume nje sithi lo Coachella wakhona wabekwa yipresident ucwasana ngebala. And lento ayenzayo lapha lokuhlala eoffice engekho uhola imali nje mahala. Guys, if we don't stand right now, sizoba senkingeni. Mina I'm fully supporting indaba kaJacinta and iMarch and March. And umuntu ozongitshela ngokuthi kwashaka cima for sec.
For many years, South Africans have accepted that they are second-class citizens in their own country. But today we confirm that they have decided to stand up for themselves.
We are deciding to stand up for ourselves. Danke Jacinta, danke Sisi, danke Mangobese, danke Zuma. Asam.
And they want to be treated the same way that minority groups are treated in.
You see, this is the whole problem about us. Thina abantu abamnyama saziwa ngabantu abathanda nje ukuthola imali messenger niyabaleka. Like nje a perfect example ibona bongizwe nje, and I think the president did a good job when ebabiza laphayana and offered something that we don't have a proof of, allegedly ukuthi they have money that abanikwa yona. Now sesisenkingeni manje because iMarch and March isintekenteke and usisi Justice Ngobe sesekufanele manje alwe yedwa. The only thing and the hope she has is us as South African to step forward and say no, say we are behind you, Siswami, and we gonna fight this job, this war up until the end. Because blabo fele balaba bayinyoka, they already there. Now we're getting new evidence. Even Minister of Police Ukochela lo, he's not doing the right job. But actually, guys, this is not what she only said. Ule press conference kuningi abakshilo. You can go to X or any social page abanalo as much and get the full information. I mean, I just picked up this part because I thought this was important for you as dope listeners to the Dopest Show. Ukuthi nizwe ukuthi kahle kahle njengoba citizens sama citizens ase South Africa, where do we stand? Anyway, guys, cela ukuzwa ngawe lapha kwi comment section. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to the channel. By the way, guys, the channel is now monetized, so it would be fair and nice ukuthi niyoyeke nje lawo ma adverts ayiranele so that we can have money to support other projects esidinga ukuthi sibe nawo la ekhaya. Siyabonga kakhulu. You watching the Durban Online Podcast, DOP, the #1 podcast in KZN, if not the world. My name is Fly Moshe. By the way, guys, umhlaka 6 ngizobe ngilapha ya. Been back next to Zai umhlaka 6 this coming Thursday. It's going to be a comedy show. It's a comedy night. We're going to be there every last Thursday of the month. So tickets are available at Web Tickets. Search for the Been Back Comedy Show, and then you can get email. You can buy online or Pick and Pay stores. Donko.